you're new here, hi, I'm Maddie. I'm a K-5 STEM teacher and ed tech coach from Los Angeles, and in today's video, we are going to be doing some meal prepping for the week. So I just got back from Trader Joe's. I did a lot of shopping. I got some really great stuff for the week, and what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna show you some examples of how I meal prep. So we're gonna look at 5 different examples of meals that I'm gonna plan to have throughout the week. By the way, if you don't shop at Trader Joe's, you can still recreate the recipes in this video. You can buy the ingredients from any grocery store, so keep watching even if you're not a Trader Joe's shopper. Now, the lunches in this video I consider to be healthy. Now, I know that everybody has a different definition of what it means to be healthy. These are just some of the meal ideas that work for me, that work for my body, but you know yourself way better than I do. So like I said, these are just some examples of some healthy meal prep ideas from Trader Joe's that work for me as a teacher. So without further ado, let's start meal prepping. Alright, so I want to show you guys what I got from Trader Joe's. I got a good selection of stuff, so you'll see I got some avocados. Now, I'm not going to eat all of those for lunch this week, but I will probably eat most of those throughout the course of the next couple of days. I eat a lot of avocados. I live in California. I also got some of these really great fruit bars that I might have as snacks. Now you'll see I got a pepper, I got an apple, I got some cheese here. I got this really great vegetable fried rice. I'll make that with you guys in a little bit. I got some arugula, carrots, almonds, these awesome Dr. Praeger's California veggie burgers. Here, you can see it a little better this way. I really like these veggie burgers. I got some hummus. I got these amazing pita bite crackers. If you guys haven't tried these before and you have a Trader Joe's near you, you need to try these. These are so good. They're like pita chips, but they're actually crackers. I think they're just so delicious. I also got this really great Southwest salad from Trader Joe's that I might have for lunch one day. I got some red grapes, and then I got this rainbow wrap back here. This rainbow wrap, they don't have at every single Trader Joe's. They have it at the One by Me sometimes, so you guys might not have this near you depending on where you live, but I think that all the wraps at Trader Joe's are pretty good. So now we're actually gonna start meal prepping. So I've laid everything out. I'm gonna put some of the stuff in the fridge so that it stays cool while I start prepping some of the foods for Monday. So I just finished meal number 1, and in the container on the left-hand side, you'll see I have some of those delicious pita crackers. I have some cheddar cheese slices. I also have some Baby Bell cheese. Now, underneath those grapes in the middle, I have some almonds, and then I have carrots too. So that's the container on the left, and then on the right, I have a little bit of hummus with some more of those pita crackers. I think that this is a really great, delicious meal for Monday, and now on to Tuesday's meal. Just finished up Tuesday's meal, and it's kind of similar to what we had for Monday. So in the container on the left, we have some carrots, some hummus, and some pita crackers, but we also have added a yellow pepper to this. I also have some more Baby Bell cheese, and then on the right we have some apples and a banana. Delicious meal for Tuesday. I don't know about you guys, but I really like pre-made meals from grocery stores. I love this rainbow wrap and this Southwest salad from Trader Joe's. Now, I wouldn't eat both of these for lunch. I just have them both so you guys have the examples here. I usually will choose either a wrap or a Southwest salad or something like that to have for lunch on Wednesday. I know I am microwaving something that I could definitely heat up on the stove, but when I'm meal prepping, honestly, I don't mind microwaving stuff. That's just personal preference. So you put this Dr. Praeger's veggie burger in the microwave for about a minute and a half, and then you flip it and cook it for another minute. There's more directions on the box in case you guys want to cook it a different way. All right, let's check out my delicious meal for Thursday. I have my Dr. Praeger's veggie burger with some mustard on top. I know not everybody likes mustard, but I thought that this would be good together. I also have a bed of arugula, I have some more yellow pepper, I have some carrots, and I have some cheddar cheese slices. For our last meal of the week, we are going to make this vegetable fried rice. Now, just like with the veggie burger, you have the option to cook this on the stovetop. Obviously, I'm going to be cooking this in the microwave. So yeah, just wanted to point out that there's multiple ways that you can cook this. Look at how good this Friday meal looks. I made some of the veggie fried rice in the microwave. I added some yellow peppers, some avocado, and one of those veggie burgers. It's a delicious and filling Friday lunch. Look at all of these delicious meals that we finished for the week. I've prepped them. They're ready to go on the fridge. I just have them laid out for you guys to see here, and they're ready for me to start eating for school tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed these teacher meal prep ideas. If you liked this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I post weekly tech tutorials for teachers, and I've also started posting more vlog type videos like this one as well. Now I need to go clean up this terrible mess behind me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.